Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's going to be a lot of cleaning motivation. I am going to be starting off in my daughter's room because it was a hot mess and my other daughter was coming home from college. So we are just going to jump right into the video. I'm going to start off by stripping my daughter's bed down and getting sheets washed. I'm going to be cleaning off the dresser. I wasn't planning on going through her drawer, but when I opened that drawer, I was like, okay, we have to get this together.
I feel you're on the verge of breaking down at any minute. I lied when I told you I was fine, babe, I was not.
I'm going to be cleaning my daughter's windowsill and cleaning underneath her bed. I don't know what in the tarnation was going on under there, but we got it together.
I want to change for you.
We are all done in this room. I just want to take the time out to shout out my baby Mariah for all the water bottles that were collected and cleaning this room. Some of them were half drunk. I know you watching this.
If I could find a way, I would take back everything. I want to change for you.
Moving on to my room, I'm gonna go ahead and put away this pregnancy pillow that I retrieved out of my daughter's room. No, she's not pregnant, she's only 12, but my daughters really love to cuddle up with this pillow. It is super duper comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in its original bag and store it away.
Before the moment slowly slips away.
I'm gonna start folding up the laundry, but I'm gonna go ahead and separate the laundry first before I start to fold it. Well, I had on this waist trainer and yeah, it was slipping, sliding, bulky, and won't be doing that no more.
The print you wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, it's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love?
I'm gonna go ahead and put those clothes away. For all my new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for taking the time to come back and click on this video.
For you, baby love. many tattoos, just a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
I'm gonna be putting away my husband's things, his underwear, and some shirts. So this was a couple of days later, you guys. My baby is now home from college for spring break. My husband and I were talking about where we're going to go for our 20-year anniversary, and he was on his phone looking up some places. I was going through some coupons from the mail, and we were talking about what we're going to keep and what we're going to throw away.
I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out by a house.
Go ahead and clean off my vanity because on that day I did press and curl my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good wipe down.
I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out by a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. When a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. All you hit is snoring. I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Running. Watch it up in the sky. I ain't picking up.
I'm going to be cleaning off the bathroom sink. Like I said, on this day, I did do my hair, so it was hair everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and give the sink a good cleaning and wipe down.
Now whip it something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out by a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hit it snoring, I'll be busy scoring.
I'm going to go ahead and roll my hair up. I'm going to take time out. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all my new subscribers and my returning ones. I really appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in my next one.